Uh, Hello everyone. Our today's topic is clinical trials. So we will see a quick review of clinical trial firstly. So clinical trials are scientific studies of the safety and efficacy of a new medicinal drug or other treatment conducted on human volunteers or patient. In the US, the results of studies are the key component of pharmaceutical or technological company application for approval of the FDA to introduce the drug in the market. Clinical trials, which are conducted in three phases that are key component of the drug approval processes. Clinical trials determine whether a new treatment or both existing and new are safe and effective for use of humans. So, in the clinical trials, there are various procedures are done in which the placebo studies are also as done in the phase 3 studies. There are several types of clinical trials, means three types of clinical trial. We will study in we will see what are these clinical trials. There are three phases. Phase first is the initial introduction of an experimental drug or the therapy to the humans. This phase is the first step in the clinical research processes involved in testing new or experimental drugs. The main goal of phase first study is establishing the new drugs side effect as well as metabolic and pharmacological action. This is achieved by administering increasing doses of the experimental drugs to trial participants. The researchers subsequently perform detailed research and analysis on the various aspects of the drug, including body's response to that drug in ADME. Then the phase 2 trials. Uh, Phase 2 is the second phase of the clinical trials or studies for an experimental new drug, in which the focus of the drug is on its effectiveness. The phase second trials typically involve 100 of patients who have the disease or condition that the drug candidates seek to treat. The main objective of the phase 2 trials is to obtain data on whether the drug is actually work in treating a disease or indication, which is generally achieved through controlled trials that are closely monitored, while the safety and side effects also studied in this phase. And then we will see about phase 3 of the clinical trials. If a drug or other treatments reaches to the phase 3 trials, it will be tested on a larger group. Phase 3 trial also uses additional information about assess the benefits versus risk of the therapy, and it's uh, it is the approval phase in which drug is approved by the authorized agency, national agency. These trials are in a large scale studies that involves participants of several hundred to the thousands, means it is about 300 to 3000 patients are taken across multiple study locations. The average duration of phase 3 ranges between 4 years, uh, and also in phase 3 trial the placebo studies are done to see the effectiveness of the medicine against the dummy medicine. After phase 3 trial, the drug is sended in the phase 4, that is post marketing surveillance, and then in phase 4 the drug is supplied worldwide. Thank you.